So what are the Apple AirTags? You've probably seen them available in the App Store or somewhere on the internet, but let me actually talk about it and show you how it works, how it looks, and how you can use it in real time, right? So if you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So this is what it kind of looks like. It's like a little disc, right? Which contains battery and a few sensors. Right, so you can always change out of the battery. There's actually a physical battery. It's not like you charge it or anything. You can kind of like push onto the thing, rotate it slightly, and you can see the battery inside like that. So you can always change it. It's that exact model, and you just have to make sure that it is in there properly, right? So once you have the battery set up, you can essentially connect it to the iPhone. You can connect it through an app which is called Find My, right? So as you can see, this is what it would kind of look like, and in there you can track the location of your other devices, your friends and family, but also of items. So if you click on items, this is the point of the AirTag, right? So you can click on add a new item and set up an AirTag, right? So once you have it ready, you can just click on use and add the AirTag. It's going to scan for it, right? This one is paired to another iPhone, so it's probably not going to load on this one. But the point is that you can set it up and connect it to your phone. And then now your phone will always see the location of this little disc. So it doesn't matter where you put it. You can put it into your wallet, you can put it into your backpack or suitcase. Your phone will always see where exactly this disc is, geographically speaking, right? So it might be halfway across the world. You'll be able to zoom in on it and see exactly where it is. So me personally, I like to use it attached to my keys. So I have this little accessory, right? I can basically put it inside of this, right? So you can purchase plenty of different ways to like kind of like attach your AirTags, right? So I kind of have to snap it in there properly. And as you can see, I have an AirTag connected to this keychain, which I can snap to my keys, and therefore I don't have to worry about losing my keys. So yeah, that's how it works. You can put it into your keys or in wallet, whatever, and you will always have to be able to browse them on the map right there. And it also like notifies you when the battery is running low, so you can always replace it and make sure that it always kind of like works and gives you the location. So that's like the whole point of this. I hope that I was able to explain it properly. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.